dear friends, now let us have a discussion about the lamps. We know that there are different varieties of lamps are there. We have the oil lamp. Again, in the oil we can use different varieties of oils. Kerosene lamp, candle. These are all the different lamps that are available for us. And light is a symbol of, lamp is a symbol of knowledge. Lamp indicates, igniting a lamp indicates that till then what all the darkness which is there disappears by lighting a lamp there. So, for the darkness to disappear, we have to lit the lamp. Means, for the ignorance to disappear, the knowledge must be replaced. So, knowledge is going to replace the ignorance. And this knowledge is the most important thing. So, my dear friends, this is a symbol of knowledge. Lamp is a symbol of knowledge, and it is a symbol of life. More the knowledge, along with wisdom, there is an intensive way of living. The life is more. So, this is a symbol. Symbolically, in our culture, we worship this lamp, is being worshipped. Every day, we lit the lamp in the morning and in the evening at home. This is the culture of this nation. So, my dear friends, if you do not have the habit of lighting the lamp, at least just go and do a namaskar to the lamp which your mother have lit. This is a very important habit, should not be stopped. And we have a festival of light that we call it as Diwali. During that, the lights are kept in a line, and in this festival children like it. The crackers are being enjoyed by all the children, burnt by the children. So here the Diwali festival indicates that the good is winning over the bad. The good is winning over the evil. Always the victory is for the good over the evil. This is a symbol, and the festival we celebrate that. We celebrate that. That is a festival of lights. So, example, when we are in the dark, a rope is lying on the ground. We feel as if there is a snake there. We are afraid of. This fear is important. Ignorance leads to fear. But once the light is lit, you are getting a clarity that it is not the snake, it is the rope. Then your fear has gone. So the knowledge is going to remove the fear in a person. This is a very essential thing. When we are lighting a light, because of that, the air is getting sterilized. The air gets sterilized. This is a scientific approach. So that is the reason why in our culture there is a lot of, before we start any important program, the program is started by lighting a lamp. This is the culture. So lighting the lamp means we are lighting that. We are starting that. So lighting is the culture of this nation. Not putting off the lights. But today, most of the culture is just being overtaken by the Western culture, which is okay to some extent but not okay in some cases. Whenever a child's birthday happens, we need not blow and put off the light. We should light the lamp, not putting off the lamp. This is an important thing. In our culture, we lit the lamp, we get the blessing of all the elders. This is the right thing. Not putting off and blowing the light. No, that's not correct. So, my dear friends, lit the lamp regularly in your life, twice a day or at least once a day. Or if somebody lights a lamp in your house, go and just stand before it for a while. You are definitely going to get something out of it. Do not ask what is that something. After you experience for 1 month, then you will understand the importance of it. Thank you.
So still now we have discussed about the lamps. Okay, what do you see in the picture? The women is lighting the lamps. Okay. Next. All of you turn your papers. See. At night it gets dark. We cannot see. Lamps give us light. They help us to see. We have electric lamps. We have kerosene lamps. We have oil lamps. On Diwali night, we light lots of small oil lamps. We put them outside our houses. How beautiful they look in the dark night. Okay, let us see the exercise part now. In the night or day it is dark? In the night. Second one, we cannot see in the light. In the light or dark? We cannot see in the dark. Light helps us to see or hear. It helps us to see. For Diwali, we light kerosene or oil lamps. We light oil lamps. Next, fifth one, we put the oil lamps outside our houses or schools. Outside our houses. Okay. Next, turn your paper. Let us see the matching part now. Night. See. Electric lamp, oil lamp, Diwali, kerosene lamp. Night. This is night. Next, electric lamp. See, this is 10th one is electric lamp. And next, oil lamp. 9th one. See, this is oil lamp. And Diwali. Here, the children are playing with the crackers. Next, kerosene lamp. See, this is the kerosene lamp. Okay. Now let us discuss some new words. Okay. First one, lamps. Second one, night. Third one, dark. Fourth one, light. Fifth one, electric. Sixth one, kerosene. Seventh one, oil. Eighth one, Diwali. Ninth one, outside. 10th one, houses. 11th one, beautiful. 12th one, help. Okay. Now I request everyone to note down the same words in your answer book and practice reading and writing. Thank you, children.